'Twas brillig and the slithy toves did gyre and gimble in the wabe, or mimsy were the burrow goves, and the mum raths outgrabe.
Beware the Jabberwock, my son, the jaws that bite, the claws that catch. Beware the Jub bird, and shun the frumious bandersnatch.
He took his vorpal sword in hand, long time the mandsome foe he sought. So rested he by the tum-tum tree, and stood a while in thought. And as in uffish thought he stood, the Jabberwock with eyes of flame came whiffling through the turgy wood, and burbled as it came. 1, 2, 1, 2, and through the vorpal blade went snick-a-snack. He left it dead, and with its head he went galumphing back.
And hast thou slain the Jabberwock? Come to my arms, my beamish boy. O frabjous day, calloo callay.
He chortled in his joy. 'Twas brillig and the slithy toves did gyre and gimble in the wabe, or mimsy were the burrow goves, and the mum raths outgrabe.